Okay, guys, hello everyone. Love is 256 here once more. My YouTube family, I'm very happy and honored to be here back. Most of you guys have been looking for me in my inboxes, my audience from US. You've really contacted me and you really showed interest that I should be back. And I promised I'm back. And this time around, I'm back like never before. I promise I'm going nowhere. I'm here to stay. So YouTube family, be ready for all the business talk, for all the life experiences, African life experience. So I'm very appreciative for those who checked out and looked for me. I'm very honored. I'm very grateful. So we're going to be having episode life experience conversations on this program. Let's talk live. Your girl love is 256. I'll be hosting so many people. I won't be working alone. I have a friend I'll be working with. So when I'm back, I pray you love her. But I know you love her because she's really amazing. I can't really bring a person that will bore you guys, that will make like you guys feel our program is boring. No. So this was a disclaimer of those of the people that told you I'm done with YouTube, I'm not coming back. Yeah, I'm here, I'm back. Love you guys. See ya.